This Tesla needs some quarter panel repair. I'm Stefan with You Break I Fix. Let's get started. A bit of disassembly so I can see all the damage. It turns out that there wasn't anything crazy hidden under the bumper. So I started my repair process with Kiko hinge tabs, using GPR to rough out the bulk of the damage fast. After working the crown with the Kiko weighted body hammer, the metal is returning to its natural position, and I will switch to more detailed parts of the damage. There's some old bodywork under this paint, and it's cracked, so I'll have to dig all of that out and redo the old work as well. These creases were no problem with these centipede tabs. I am using a pole from the building, but you can use a vacuum pole tower the same way. Here it is after glue pulling and some push tool work. This is what I found under the old filler. It isn't horrible, but I would have worked the metal a bit more. After about 10 minutes with the dent puller and pre-fitting the bumper to verify my work, the Model 3 is ready for super easy filler work. Let me know in the comments what you think, and thanks for following.